Good evening. I am down at our lake. It is absolutely beautiful outside and I'm painting. So I filmed a few sessions of my watercolor portrait that I'm working on, so I just thought I'd give you a little update and show you where I'm at. I can't film it here. I didn't bring my tripod down, but I'm just going to give you a couple minutes to kind of show you some of the details I'm working on. Now I'm in the detail phase, and what a beautiful night it is down here at the lake. So here's my scene. There's one of my dogs waiting for the ball to be thrown. And here's Luca. Hi, Lukey. Just chilling. And I'll give one quick throw for Duke of the ball. Ready? Go get it, buddy. And then in between throwing the ball, I'm working on this. So you may have seen a lot of the garden work that was done. I'm trying to make it not look too artificial by showing every flower in bloom. But then at the same time, I do want to have lots of color. So I can always come in and tone some of these down. But, you know, it is kind of like an idealized, beautiful version of her garden. And the work I've been doing tonight is centered around the windows. So windows have a lot of layers, and the door and the details and the shadows that fall, they're a little different from window to window, but getting those lines straight and fixing some of the little imperfections that came about with the masking fluid. I'm going to work on just cleaning that up a little bit. And then overall I have shutters, some more door details. I'm going to put a little bit of patterning of the paneling actually onto the garage door, and then I'll be done. So this is how far I've come. And so again, there's the house that I'm using as my reference, and my watercolors down here at the lake. All right, well, wish me luck on the little final details. I'm just going to get some little close-ups here. See, there's my windows and my bricks. And I had to add a little shadow to my white rocking chair. And then just continue little lines by little lines. Hi, Jody. Hi, Sherry. Getting the house portrait all finished. All right. I will show you the finished result later this week. I should be finished with it tonight or probably tomorrow afternoon. All right, good night, everyone. Have a great evening, and get outside. It is absolutely beautiful.